Talked to a buddy of mine a couple days ago, and his 90-year-old mother loves to use Facebook. She loves to stay in touch with what's going on with the grandkids and the great grandkids, as well as their various nephews and nieces and other friends that she has on Facebook, because she doesn't get out a lot. And Facebook is a really important tool for her to stay in touch. However, he wants to protect her from people who have no better intent than to bother her or maybe even to find some way to scam her. So he asked me what are some very basic steps that he can do on his mother's profile to help protect her from those people. Let me show you a couple areas that are important for you to adjust to be able to help your senior citizen who wants to be protected. First of all, you go to Settings. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. In Settings, go to the left over here, and there's two things I want to walk you through. How people find and contact you. The first thing you want to do is look at friends, who can send you friend requests. Now, you can't turn it off, unfortunately, but you can say, I want it only to be my friends of friends who can send my mother or my grandmother a friend request. So change it to that and hit Save. Next thing is who can see your friends list. Now, if you really want to protect your family member, I would take that and move it all the way down to only me. There's really, for the most part, no reason for anyone to be able to see your senior citizens' friends. Just turn it off by going to only me. The next thing is who can Facebook suggest your profile to? Well, go ahead and turn that to no one. I don't want anyone to see, to be able to send me friend requests because they have my email address or because they have my phone number. Turn that all off. No one, no one. You may also want to turn off, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? May very well make sense to turn that off as well. The next one is how you get message requests. These are requests for various marketing, invites to groups, etc., from Facebook members who have uploaded their contact information to Facebook. This is the contacts of all their friends, everybody they know with the phone numbers and email addresses, which, by the way, I recommend do not do that. No one has any reason to upload their contact information to Facebook. However, people do that for marketing purposes, and that's a whole other conversation. What you want to do for your senior citizen, your friend, your family member, whoever, is turn this all off. For people with your phone number, deliver a request, don't deliver. Turn it off. You could also, for friends of friends on Facebook, deliver requests to, and you could turn that off as well. Don't receive requests. You could say, deliver requests from people in Facebook groups. You could turn that off. Unless they're in a group that's really important to them and messaging is an important part of that group, I would turn that off. Just shut it down all the way. For pages that this person follows, deliver requests to. Again, unless they're following a page that's really important to them, I would turn this off. Don't receive requests. Again, I really recommend you go through how people find and contact you and tighten that down and minimize the ability for people who are not friends of your loved one so they cannot message them. Here's the next piece to go look at, profile and tagging. What I recommend you do is that you turn off tagging so that no one can tag your friend. Just turn it all off. If you turn that all off, they're not going to get tagged and really will minimize the burden on your loved one from people who do not know or are not friends with this person. Just turn it off. I would leave reviewing on, but just turn off the tagging so that they cannot be tagged. I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you and to help your loved ones overcome the risks and fears of using technology, and I hope these ideas about how people find and contact you and profile and tagging are useful.